lot about a briefcase you analyzed in this case. Can you tell us, you can't tell us, you could tell, excuse me. That briefcase was found on Chase Covington's person at the time of her arrest, correct?
Yes, it was.
But you can't tell us who collected it.
You mean who brought it into evidence? Or
Who collected it and brought it to you at your lab?
No.
And you can't tell us who collected it, where it was, or even if it was the same one as the one you analyzed at the time, can you?
It was definitely the same briefcase that Chase Covington had in her possession when she was arrested.
But you had no evidence that it was properly bagged and tagged and brought to your lab, right?
I mean, I'm not really in charge of that, so I would not know.
So you can't say whether it was even the same briefcase, right?
I guess not. I assume the police do their job correctly.
Now you talked about a lot of analyses that you performed. I want to talk specifically about your DNA analysis and your fingerprint analysis. Now you found 6 fingerprints on the briefcase, right?
Yes.
And 2 of those were of Chase Covington,
Yes.
and the other 4 of Avery Bancroft.
Yes, I found it kind of weird, honestly.
But you can't tell us when they came in contact with this briefcase.
As I said in my conclusion, I can't tell you when they came in contact with the briefcase.
You can't even tell us how long they were holding the briefcase for those prints to be left, right?
I can tell you that just a mere touch will leave a fingerprint. So it could be anywhere from just a slight touch to holding it for hours.
That's right, even mere fleeting contact can leave fingerprints on an object.
Yes, it can.
So hypothetically, Chase Covington could have picked up the briefcase and put it back down and left the same fingerprints.
I suppose.
And you conducted a lot of DNA analysis, right?
Yes, I did.
And you found hairs and skin cells of Avery Bancroft on the briefcase, right?
Inside the briefcase, yes.
You found no evidence of Ms. Covington's DNA on that briefcase.
No, I didn't, besides the fingerprints. Which is why I think it's kind of weird that Chase Covington had it in her possession.
But you can't tell us when those hairs got there at all, can you?
As I said before, I can't tell you when.
Objection to asked and answered, Your Honor.
Overruled. Move on.
So none of the evidence you evaluated can tell us when or where Ms. Covington came in contact with this briefcase.
No, as I said before, I can't tell you when.
In fact, you can't even tell us that an exchange occurred at all, right?
I can tell you that they both came in contact with it.
Right. All you can say is these 2 people at some point came in contact with this briefcase.
As I've said numerous times, I cannot tell you when they came in contact with the briefcase.
Nothing further.
Any redirect?